So you're waiting for your driving test and you just want to do anything you can to be prepared as possible. So what do? You start watching mock tests, you start watching other people driving, anything that you think is going to help you in between your driving lessons, in between mum and dad taking you out, which can be a long time because after all, mum and dad are really busy trying to do it after work, between work where it's pitch black, or you got your 1 lesson a week, your 1 hour a week with your driving instructor. That leaves a lot of spare time. So what would you say if I told you you could sit any driving test route in Europe from the comfort of your own home? Well, now you can. Using this virtual driving software, you can now drive from any real location in the country, such as a driving test centre, and follow the real road mapping data, including the roundabouts, any dual carriageways, and actually follow any test route that you like. Imagine, like me, I've popped a postcode in for Newcastle-under-Lyme Driving Test Centre. I can either just drive from this location and follow an online driving test route that I've already downloaded, or another app that I've downloaded, or like me, you can put an end location as well. Then all you have to do is follow the lines on the road to the location you want to go. I can even put specific labels on certain areas that I want to label. So get this, you're going out on a mock test with your driving instructor, you fail because it happens to all of us. You fail because you've gone too fast down the road. You thought it was 40 miles per hour, you missed the street lights, it wasn't, it was 30, boom, fail. So what do? You go home, you open your virtual drive, you redo the test on the software, and you now label that road 30 miles per hour, do not speed. Think, are you more likely to ever speed on that road again? You can even label it why it's 30 miles per hour because there's street lights. This way you're more likely to remember on all the 30 mile per hour roads. Now you can do that throughout all of your tests. Any difficult roundabouts which you needed the middle lane for instead of the left lane or the right lane, you can label them. Stay in the middle lane on this roundabout. Now I use these examples because I see it all the time. You've got 3 or 4 hell on earth roundabouts in every area that you just have to know. You just need to practice, practice, practice. Now let's be honest, nothing beats real car experience. That's a fact. In the car, practice every day. But who has the time to drive all day, every day, either with mum and dad who are going to be working or with a driving instructor at £40 an hour?
I do not have time for this. I do not have time for you.
There is no way my kids are going to be able to afford to do that, I know for sure. But this is the beauty of this web app. In between real driving experience, you have all the time in the world to sit and practice doing your test routes from the comfort of your own home. You could practice doing every single route that you know of in a specific area. You could spend hours doing it, taking your time, taking it in. You could label every single road and roundabout on the entire route. What I'm trying to say is if you're the sort of person that wants to be as prepared as they possibly can for their driving test, this is an amazing tool for you. And can you let me know in the comments below, how important is it that you actually practice real driving test routes at a test centre? Should we be doing that, or should we only be practicing mock test routes, made up routes? Now this is a web app, so it's best to use on the computer, but you can use it on your mobile phone as well. The developers of this software have kindly agreed to give anyone watching this video 20% off the asking price using the code JOSHTDI. Have a look at the link above just there right now or in the description below. There are more updates on the way, including the ability to signal, swapping your steering wheel from one side to the other depending on what country you're in, and of course there will be traffic and pedestrians eventually as well. Another really useful feature is you can actually copy and paste coordinates for precise locations from other maps and other apps into this app. And when you're labeling those specific locations, the roundabouts, the roads, you can actually upload a picture of them as well. How useful would that be? If you want a bit more information about the features and details about this, have a look at the link above or in the description below. It'll cover everything I've talked about and more. Now you can currently use this driving simulator anywhere in Europe, and it is soon to be expanded across the world as well. And if you've got any questions at all, get them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you ASAP. I'm Josh, a driving instructor, and I'll see you through a window.